1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
The comma. Whenever the sentence demands that the reader or speaker should make a slight pause, a comma should be used. The function of a comma is to slow the reader down, briefly, to make the reader pause. The omission of a comma can allow phrases and clauses to crash into one another, thereby confusing the reader. Using the comma is, unlike most other punctuation, a matter of taste rather than rule, but here to help you are samples of all the common uses of comma. 1. To separate items in a list. We bought some shoes, gloves, a jersey, handkerchiefs, and a scarf. 2. To separate adjectives or adverbs when several are used. The children were noisy, mischievous, inquisitive, unruly, and altogether something of a nuisance. The snow fell silently, densely, almost unnoticed, in an even white nest which soon covered the whole landscape. 3. To separate parts of date and addresses. The 23rd of July 2016. Monday the 15th of August 2016. James Roberts ESQ, Woodstock Manor, Ancoats Road, Wolverton, Surrey. 4. Use a comma to separate introductory phrases and clauses from the independent clause, particularly if the phrase or clause is long. Although he had never played a guitar, he somehow managed to make beautiful music. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.